Hi guys, and welcome to another Elementor video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we've been putting together this little Elementor WooCommerce site here, online store, using the free version of Elementor. We're almost through with it now. What I'd like to do is just add a section on the bottom here, and we'll create a category for it, reduced, and we'll have all our reduced computers down there. So the first thing we want to do is create that category. So let's go to our dashboard and down to our products. Our products are right here. Down below products, you'll see categories. Or if you've got product highlighted, it may be in a drop down here. So let's go to our categories. And I'm creating a new category, add new category, and I'm calling it reduced. And for the slug, we'll say reduced also. We don't need a parent category or a description. It's pretty self-explanatory right there. So let's add this new category. As you can see, it's got it at the top there. If you want to, you can add an image and all kinds of stuff, but we really don't need to for what we're doing at this moment. So now let's go back to our products. So I'll go to all products. And we can use the quick edit feature to add whatever products we want to our reduced category. So let's quick edit. This book can be in there. Just check the category. There's reduced. Update that one. What else? That one's on sale, so we'll put them in here again. Reduced. I'm simply going to go down this list till I've got about 8 of them, because that's how many I want to display. Just save that. And I'll pause this video because I'm doing exactly the same thing for each one, just going into the quick edit and doing it. Okay, so I've just added the last one there. I'm going to update. Now let's go back to our front page so we can add this reduced category to the bottom. What I'd like to do is I'm going to steal this title and reuse it down the bottom there. So I'm going to hit edit with Elementor. I'm going to roll down. There's the title I want to steal right there. So I'm going to copy the module itself. And we're going to go down. And I'm going to paste it in there. There we go, we got our title. I'm going to leave it just like that, but I'm going to call it reduced. Reduced for sale, how's that? Now what we need to do is actually add the category itself. So let's go back to our matrix, and you can use a code block or a text editor block. I'm going to use the text editor. I'm going to plonk it down underneath my title there. And inside here, I've got to put my category. So a category shortcode. If you're not sure about WooCommerce shortcodes, have a look at our WooCommerce shortcodes video. It'll be in the playlist below this video. So we're going to put our shortcode in some square brackets. And I'm going to say product category, product underscore category. Then I've got to tell it what category I want. And the category that we created was reduced. So I'm going to say category equals, open 2 sets of inverted commas, and in between is where I want to put my reduced category. Now, as is the case, sometimes these will pop up in the back end here, sometimes they won't. But like I say, they always pop up on the front end. So let's go check out what it is. Let's save our changes. And check it out on the front end. There we go. There's those little 8 computers I added to the reduce. So that's how to organize your categories and quickly add another product category to your page there. Now, just to discern it a little bit from our bottom bar there, I think I'll put a gradient in there just on the bottom. Or we could use dividers. Let's go back. We'll go to our section. I think I'll put a little blue gradient in there. So here's the section. We want to go to Style, Background Type. I'm going to use Gradient. Puts nothing in the top, but it puts something in the bottom there. I'm going to put white in the top, and as you can see, it's put something in there. And I'm going to put blue in the bottom. Now that's a little more than I'd like, so I'm going to move this until the white goes down to kind of where we want it, which is probably somewhere about there. About halfway down sort of thing. So now we've got a nice white top and we've got that little blue faded background there. Bottom section right there. So there we have it. We've added our Reduce for Sale section to our site. Let's update. And I think we can call this site done. I think we'll do one more video. We'll just organize our menu a bit up the top here. There, the last section. And what we'll do a very quick video and finish this off. We'll organize this. We'll perhaps have some brands and the computers. We might want to stack those on top of each other. And we've actually got to add our contact page. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.